All right, we're in this condo building. This is either condos or apartments, one of the two. It's residential of some sort. And we got Otis's. I think these are Gen2s. I think these are like older Gen2s. So the better ones. The newer ones feel kind of more flimsy. Yep. Are they Gen2? I hear controller fans. Unless... Oh, they're in here. That is strange. Interesting. So they're Gen2s, but they have the controllers in their own room. Frankly, if I'm being honest, I really think that this era of Gen2 was way better than the current one. Well, no, we have Gen3s now, so we're kind of out of that era, but you know what I mean. Like these kinds of Gen2s with these sort of fixtures, the Series 5, Series 4, rather than the Series 7, these ones are just better, I feel like. They're less flimsy. Right as I say that, there's some nasty rollback. Perfect timing. That wasn't that bad, but still, nice timing. Yeah, these are really nice. Why is there 3 labels? What are these things? I always see them on elevators. And they're in multiple states, so it's not like a state code thing. Anyway, that's all.